How to delete or uninstall Roblox on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. There are two versions of Roblox that you can use on your PC. The first one is browser and the other one is Roblox app. You cannot delete the browser version as it is not installed in your device. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to delete or uninstall Roblox that exists in your PC. So head towards the app Roblox. Now what you have to do is right click on it and different options will pop up. Select the option of uninstall, click on it. Again click on this option of uninstall. It is in the process to be uninstalled. And here you can see that Roblox app has uninstalled. This is how you can easily uninstall or delete Roblox app from your PC. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment on below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.